EksoZeroG. Manufacturers have created the EksoZeroG robotic arm to enhance safety and productivity. This advanced robotic arm can effortlessly handle tools and loads weighing up to 16 kilograms, seamlessly integrating with a range of equipment including impact wrenches and pneumatic hammers. The EksoZeroG is a game-changer, significantly reducing worker strain and boosting overall morale by improving efficiency and minimizing the risk of injuries. Voixatch. Voixatch is a cutting-edge smartwatch that combines smartphone functions into a stylish device. It allows you to make calls, send texts, use GPS, and surf the web, all without relying on your phone. The Voixatch bezel can detach to transform into a Bluetooth headset for hands-free calls. Its wing-shaped design ensures a secure fit in your ear and provides excellent sound quality. Voixatch comes in 4 bezel colors and boasts a 1.3-inch AMOLED display. You can back Voixatch on Kickstarter and get yours for just $99. NKT Fasteners. NKT Fasteners SC stands tall as a respected Danish firm, mastering the craft of crafting and supplying screws, nuts, and an array of fasteners. Born in 1899, it has since ascended to become Denmark's premier screw manufacturer, spreading its influence across Scandinavia, Germany, Poland, and the United Kingdom. Renowned for their unwavering commitment to quality, their products stand as paragons of excellence, trusted in diverse sectors spanning construction, manufacturing, and transportation. With a rich legacy steeped in craftsmanship and reliability, NKT Fasteners SC continues to lead the charge, setting the standard for precision and durability in the fastener industry. Lazareth MV 496, the flying motorcycle. The Lazareth MV 496 is an extraordinary motorcycle that offers the ultimate blend of luxury and performance, with the added thrill of being able to fly. This limited edition bike is a masterpiece of design and functionality, powered by electricity to give you a ride that's not just fast and smooth on the road, but also capable of soaring into the sky. It's the height of innovation in the motorcycle world, providing a one-of-a-kind experience that combines the excitement of riding on the ground with the freedom of flying. This bike is truly a game-changer, offering a unique mix of terrestrial and aerial adventures.